guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to clear all chats on the WhatsApp. So guys, if you want to create any particular chat on the WhatsApp, so it is very difficult to clear that particular chat. Okay, so if you want to clear the all chat in one time, in one click, you can watch this video till end. Open the WhatsApp. In the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just tap on it. From here open the settings. In the settings tap on chats like this, scroll down and find out chat history. Just open it. Okay, and then here you can get the option clear all chat. Okay, so remember one thing guys, before clearing it will clear your all chat including groups or your particular contact chat. Okay, so before clearing you need to remember this one thing. Okay, if you want to clear, just tap on clear all chat. That's it. Now it will clear your all WhatsApp chat history. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to clear the chat history in one click, one tap on your Android phone. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.